everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. I really cannot contain myself with the product that I have come to review today. This is a makeup brush set. These are the brushes, face brush, eyeshadow brush, you name it, you got it, by the brand called GUBB. These are absolutely affordable and 100% cruelty free brushes, and the synthetic or the fiber or the bristles these are absolutely soft and very fine, and I really can't I don't know how to review them because these are absolutely amazing. I don't have words to express how happy I am to got this, and these are absolutely affordable too. So I will show you now what all the brushes that I have got, and I will talk to you about these products. Oh, by the way, I have created this look using only these brushes. No brush extra, no other brush, no sponge, nothing. So these are enough. If you are a beginner, you can have these brushes in your vanity and you are good to go. You can do everything with these brushes. This set is 899 rupees and you can avail 10% discount by using the discount code GUBB10, and the link will be in the description box. Please go ahead and check it. And 899 rupees is nothing for this kind of makeup brush. It's high quality, just like professional makeup brush set, and it is absolutely apt for the beginners. So I would highly recommend this, and definitely go ahead and check the description for all the details about the brush. The foundation brush is a flat brush. Foundation brush again is a flat brush, but unlike other flat foundation brushes, it does not create or does not leave any streak of foundation on your face, which I have been seeing in most of the flat foundation brushes that I own. So this is a very good brush for applying your foundation. You can you have to start off very slowly, very gently, then you'll be having a very flawless base. And I used this for applying my foundation, for applying my for applying my color corrector, for applying my concealer and all, and I've even used it for contouring my face, cream contouring my face. It has powder in it, so the bristles are very soft on the skin and does not prickle or does not prick your skin. Even if you bounce the brush on your skin, it won't cause any harm. And this blush brush, and this again is very soft and it is angled, so it picks up product and places on the contours of your face. If you want to contour your face, you can do that with this brush. You can apply your blush, even you can apply your highlighter with the help of this brush. It is very soft and does not poke your skin at all. Comes the eye brushes. You have this fluffy eyeshadow brush with the help of which you can pick up an eyeshadow and place it on the outer corners of your eyes and blend it, and you can even apply it on your crease to make a transition shade, to make a transition, and it even smudges the eyeshadow, or if you apply a kajal, you can smudge it with the help of this brush. And again, it is very soft. As you can see, it's very soft and it helps in blending the eyeshadow very well. We have this flat eyeshadow brush which helps in placing the particular product, especially this shimmery product, on the lids and on the lower lids. You can apply you can smudge your kajal on your lower lid as well. It is a firm brush. It's not very what should I say, bending. It's a firm enough brush to pack the product on the space. Next, we have a spoolie with which you can brush your eyebrows and apply the mascara on your lashes. These spoolie brushes are really very thin, if you can say. It's not very thick, it's not a thick brush, so it is very very helpful and very convenient to apply the mascara on your lower lash line with the help of this spoolie. Have an angled eyeshadow brush. An angled eyeshadow brush is my favorite because you can even make a wing of your kajal with the help of this angled eyeshadow brush, so you won't be needing extra skills to doing your wing with the help of any eyeliner or eyeliner brush. So I personally love the angled eyeshadow brush, and it is firm enough to drag your eyeliner in places. So this is my favorite brush among all. Lastly, you have a lip brush. Actually, you can even use it for applying your gel liner, but I've used it for applying the lipstick only. So it's also a firm lip brush. I have product in it, so it's a firm lip brush, so you can apply or you can place the product on your lips, and even you can line the lips and after filling it in. So it is very helpful for filling in your lips. For the GUBB makeup brush set review. I hope you like this review. These brushes are really very nice and travel friendly. You can grab these 8 brushes and put it in your purse and go anywhere. And do check the description box for the details, and do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.